How to edit PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open my PDF here. So this is my PDF, guys. So just open your PDF which you want to edit. So just go to this menu icon, menu option, and here you can open your PDF from your device. Okay, just select and open. It will be open like this. Now in order to edit your PDF in Adobe, we need to go in all tools and just find the edit PDF option. Just click on it, then this edit will be enabled. If you don't find this option here, just go to the view more and you can see your edit option here. Okay, now just click on this edit option, and here you can see now your PDF is enabled to edit. Okay, so simply you can see there are every element has been editable. Now you can simply just select that any elements and just click on that border, click and hold it, and just you can change the place of this element. Okay, you can do this to any element like title, paragraphs, and all. Okay, you can change the font if you want. You have to just select the fonts and have to select by clicking Ctrl+A. Now you can change the fonts from here. Okay, just select the font which you want, and here you can see lots of options. You can also crop your page. Just click on crop and select the area which you want. This is my first page. Okay, so I have select this area only, so this area will be crop and other rest of area will be delete. Okay, so I have select this area on first page. I need to just double click on it. Now you can see this is my first page, and I have select the middle space which I selected by dragging. Now just click on OK. You can see first page has been cropped. All data is deleted, only selected data is visible now. So I just undo it. Okay, so here simply you can delete the page from here. You can also extract the page. Here you can rotate your page. You can see here organize your page. I mean, you can change the numbering of your page. Okay, so just select and change the number like this, and you can add text if you want. If you want to add any extra elements, you can just click on text and tab your text here. You can change font, size, color from here. Okay, if you want to delete this element, just select that element, just head over, come over to this border, and just make sure this symbol, arrow symbol, will be visible. Make sure this arrow symbol is to visible. Just right click on it and just select all. Now cut it, then this element will be delete. Here you can see there is a lots of option, like under the add content you can add text, image also. You can also add header and footer, and here you can see the use of design tools. This is external tools of Adobe, like Adobe Express. When you click it, it will be take you the Adobe Express on online tools. There you can edit your PDF. If you have images, then you can use it. Here you can reduce the PDF, combine the PDF, paper, from many options you can use. Okay, so that is how you can edit the PDF on Adobe Acrobat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.